For coffee enthusiasts, the brewing process is more than just a daily routine, it's an art. This Brim 8-cup pour-over coffee maker kit is designed to give you a rich, full-bodied coffee experience without the fuss. Whether you're an aspiring barista or someone who enjoys a perfectly brewed cup in the morning, this kit offers everything you need to craft the ideal coffee right at home. Key features that make the Brim pour-over coffee maker stand out. The Brim pour-over coffee maker kit doesn't just brew coffee, it enhances the entire coffee-making experience. Let's take a closer look at its unique features and how they contribute to brewing the perfect cup. 1. Pour-over shower head for even saturation. The pour-over shower head design ensures that the coffee grounds are evenly saturated, extracting the full range of flavors and aromas. Unlike other coffee makers, which often rush the brewing process, this method allows the grounds to bloom, resulting in a rich, full-bodied cup of coffee. 2. 30-minute auto shutoff. We've all experienced the panic of rushing out the door, only to realize that the coffee maker might still be on. With the 30-minute auto shutoff feature, you can brew your coffee without worry. This safety feature ensures that your machine powers down automatically after brewing, so you can enjoy your coffee at your own pace. If you want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. 3. Perfect brew temperature. Brewing coffee at the right temperature is crucial for unlocking its full potential. The Brim pour-over coffee maker ensures that your water is heated to the ideal brewing temperature, creating a balanced, flavorful cup every time. 4. Eco-friendly stainless steel filter. Say goodbye to wasteful paper filters. The Brim kit includes a stainless steel, reusable filter that not only reduces waste but also enhances the brewing process. Paper filters can sometimes absorb essential oils from the coffee, but with the stainless steel filter, you'll get every drop of flavor in your cup. 5. Sleek design with silicone sleeve. Crafted with both form and function in mind, the Brim pour-over coffee maker is as stylish as it is functional. The sleek glass carafe, complemented by a cool touch silicone sleeve, makes it safe to handle, even on sleepy mornings. The sophisticated design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, making this coffee maker a statement piece on your countertop. First impressions: unboxing the Brim Cup pour-over kit. From the moment you unbox the Brim 8-cup pour-over coffee maker, you can tell it's designed with care and attention to detail. The kit includes the glass carafe, stainless steel filter, a measuring scoop, and a silicone sleeve for easy handling. Each component feels durable and well-made, giving you confidence in the product's longevity. The glass carafe is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any kitchen aesthetic, while the silicone sleeve provides protection from burns during handling. The stainless steel filter is finely etched, ensuring a smooth brewing process with no need for disposable filters. Brewing with the Brim pour-over coffee maker, a step above the rest. Brewing coffee with the Brim 8-cup pour-over kit is a joy from start to finish. The pour-over shower head design evenly distributes water over the coffee grounds, allowing them to bloom and release their full flavor. This slow and controlled pour is the secret to unlocking the deep flavors and rich aromas of the coffee. The stainless steel filter further elevates the taste, as it doesn't absorb the coffee's oils the way paper filters do. As a result, each cup is richer and more full-bodied, making the Brim coffee maker a top choice for coffee aficionados. The 30-minute auto shutoff feature is a game-changer for those who are always on the go. It ensures that you can enjoy your coffee without the worry of accidentally leaving the machine on. Why the Brim pour-over coffee maker kit is a must-have. If you're serious about coffee, the Brim pour-over coffee maker kit is a fantastic addition to your home. Here's why. Precision brewing. The pour-over shower head design ensures even saturation of your coffee grounds, unlocking their full flavor potential. This method is superior to traditional drip machines, which can often over or under extract your coffee. Sustainability. The stainless steel reusable filter is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. You'll save money on paper filters while also reducing waste, making this a smart choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Style meets function. With its modern design and cool touch silicone sleeve, the Brim coffee maker looks as good as it performs. It's a sleek addition to any kitchen and makes brewing coffee feel like an elevated experience. easy to use. Despite its sophisticated design, the Brim pour-over coffee maker is simple to use. Whether you're new to pour-over coffee or a seasoned pro, the intuitive design makes it easy to brew the perfect cup every time. Final verdict. Elevate your coffee ritual. The Brim 8-cup pour-over coffee maker kit is a standout product that delivers on both style and performance. Its pour-over showerhead, stainless steel filter, and auto shutoff features make it a joy to use, while its sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a small group, the 8-cup capacity ensures that you'll always have enough coffee to go around. The thoughtful design and user-friendly features make this product a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their coffee-making experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.